We've been closing in this top here. It's going really well. And the other day we had an idea. Because of the center, I had to jack it up so much. I don't know exactly why, but for some reason, this right here is going to stick down below this in one spot. Not by much, just a little bit. And it did crack the roof, but that's okay because that's Geico and there's slants all over. So it's just changing one slant, so it's okay. But it got me thinking about this edge, and in thinking about it, I came up with an idea of adding design to it. It'll disguise the issue over there, plus it'll look cool. I had done this similar thing on a gazebo, not exactly the same, but similar concept, making it uneven, and it looked really cool. So what I did was I cut some pieces in the wood shop this morning, and they're about 1.5 inches wide and inch thick. And I cut 4 different lengths, mainly 2 standard sizes. So and you can see what we did on the corner there. And now I found the center. I wasn't going to do them uniform, but I think I will. So I'm going to center this one with this post. And then I think I'll put one in between there, 2, not sure. Maybe 2. So I'm going to nail these up, and then let's take a look at it from down on the ground, because that's where people are going to be looking at it, and I think it's going to look cool. Now there is some other design in here later on, but this will be right here, and because of this extended drip edge here, I'm comfortable putting more here because the water's not hitting it. Oh yeah, some will hit, but of course, but not standard rain is not going to hit here. So let's nail them in.